Det er efterhånden ved at være længe siden, at man har kunne se denne her i aktion fra AGF. Men i onsdagens træningskamp mod Skive var Jeremiah White tilbage på højrekanten. Og selvom amerikaneren haltede lidt efter kampen, så var det en glad AGF fra 442.dk mødte.
It's my first game back in about 3.5 months, so I'm just happy to be on the field. It's really, I just thank God my ankle's okay. I'm just happy to be on the field.
I første halvleg af kampen mod Skive fik Jeremiah White et skrub over sin ankel, og et øjeblik troede tilskuerne på Fredensvang, at den var galt igen. White selv var dog ikke bekymret.
No, I mean it's okay. The guy he kicked me in my ankle, and you know it's healing. So I mean I felt it a little bit. I walked it off and got back playing. So I mean you get kicked in a game. That's what happens.
So how close are you to 100%?
I mean I think by the time we get back from Italy, I should be 100%, because I mean you can run all you want, but the fitness will never be the same as in the game. So I just need games, and then